What's up, everyone? This is your boy Divine. Good morning. Stopping by to drop another video. So today we're gonna be talking about stocks and crypto, and specifically on Doge, Cardano, and Shiba. Yeah. So we have been seeing a lot of news about crypto, and crypto is a new world. It's a new currency coming. So sometimes, if you don't know, this is the best time to get into crypto. um, you don't need a lot of money to invest, especially when they're not up to 1 cent. This is even the best time because you can put $100, $200, and keep it and leave it there. Then maybe 2 years or 1 year later on, you can make a lot of money out of it if you do well. Let's take for instance, remember when Bitcoin when Bitcoin was created in 2009. Yes, around 2009, it was not even up to 1 cent. So but remember, that was 2009. So fast forward, now Bitcoin is up to $37,000. Just one Bitcoin, just one share of Bitcoin. So had it been then you bought like Bitcoin worth of $20, just 20, not $100, you would have been sitting with at least maybe 200,000 or $300,000 in your account. But see, most of us didn't know then, and most of us did not realize, or if we knew about Bitcoin, we did not care about it. So because we were just thinking about going to work and save, just don't really do not think about the future. So long story got short, we're talking about Dogecoin. Dogecoin also was created in 2013 by a software engineer, and now just early this year, 2021, it was not up to a cent. It was like 0.0020 something. So had it been you invested just $100 on Dogecoin then, when it was just 0.0027 or 24, something of that. We're gonna do the math together and you see what I'm talking about. Yes, we will do the math together and you see what I'm talking about. You see, when you take the number that you invest, you take the $100 that you invest, you divide it by 0.0027. That's the amount of the share you get. So when the amount of the share that you get after dividing 100 over 0.0027, that's the amount of share you will have. Then you take the amount of share, you multiply it with the current price, that is 0.31 to 35. If I'm not mistaken, it should be around 0.32 now. So when you multiply it now, that will tell you the money that you have made for investing just $100 of in Dogecoin early in January. So it's something that it will fall, it will rise, because this is a very volatile market. It will fall and it will rise, it will fall and it rise. Sometimes it's good to hold because it can rise up to maybe $20 and it can rise up to maybe 300. What if $1,000? You make a lot of money. But if it takes years to rise, or if you think you're some kind of a person, or you're the type of people that just want to make a little bit profit, then when it goes low, which is like around 0.31, you use your money, or you can use $1,000 and put it there. The more it drops, the more you buy. The more it drops, the more you buy, because it's giving you the leeway into the market. So the more you buy when it drops, then even if it reach 0.80, you can sell it if you want to. At least you will come out with a lot of money. You will not just come out flat broke, you come out with a lot of money. But if you want to keep it for maybe 2 years, 3 years, because whatever thing I bought this year, or I'm still going to buy this year, I'm going to leave it for 4 years, 5 years down the line. I'm not going to touch it, I'm not going to check it out. I'm just going to keep it on till 2025, if God Almighty let us see it and see what it is. So following the trend of crypto, and you see how the thing is manifesting, then it tells you how the new feature will look like. It tells you how the new feature going to look like. Some country, I think if it's not Ecuador, it's Venezuela. I don't get me wrong, I think it's Ecuador or Venezuela. Between those two countries, I think one Latin American country in the south has already accepted, so that it has accepted, that its people can use crypto, Bitcoin. If people can use Bitcoin in trade of currency, so that tells you where the future of this thing is leading to. So this is the best time to put your money now, because it's still at 0.31 or 0.32. If you have the means, if you know that that's the money that you're not going to use, or it's like, something that you won't feel very shocked when you lose money. If you have $500, $1,000, get into it, put the money, close your eyes and let it grow for you. Then you thank me 4 or 5 years later, or maybe 2 years or later, or maybe even 1 year later. Not about 1 year, maybe 6 months later. Okay, this is your boy Divine. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, share, drop your comment, and see you to the next part. This is part 1, part 2 is coming. Thank you.